living area where you can sit 10 to 15 people can kitchen area with the 2 parallel platforms, spacious master bedroom जहाँ पर king size bed के Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Yamin, and today in this video we'll be doing a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Sunteck Altavia by Sunteck Realty, Goregaon West, Mumbai. I'm here at the actual location and this is the sales office. Also, you can see the main entrance and the surroundings of this project. So let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms, whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. So now let's talk about the project overview of Sunteck Altavia by Sunteck Realty, Goregaon West, Mumbai. So this project will be constructed over 3 acres land parcel having 2 towers. Each tower having 4 level of basement, ground floor, 3 level of podium and 42-story residential apartments having configuration of 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. This wonderful project has 35 plus luxurious amenities with likes of golf course, swimming pool, kids play area, jogging track, gymnasium, multi-purpose zone and many more. But सबसे अच्छी amenities की बात करी जाए तो we have a special nice मंदिर जहाँ पर आप अपना blessings लेके डे और भी ज़्यादा special बना सकते हो. Talking about the location part, so this project is located next to Ram Mandir Road, ODC, Goregaon West, Mumbai. Talking about connectivity, Ram Mandir station is just 450 meters away from this project on the right hand side, and Jogeshwari railway station is just 2 kilometers away from this project on the left hand side. D-Mart is just 500 meters away from this project, and Andheri Infinity Mall is just 2.5 kilometers away from this project.
Every direction.
Hello! So, अपने private elevator से अपने प्राइवेट रेसिडेंशियल अपार्टमेंट में आने का एंजॉयमेंट तो कुछ अलग ही है. सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू द 3 BHK सैम्पल फ्लैट टूर ऑफ Sunteck Altavia बाय Sunteck Realty, गोरेगांव वेस्ट, मुंबई. सो दिस इज द एंट्रेंस जहाँ से मैं जस्ट आई हूँ प्राइवेट एलिवेटर से अपने प्राइवेट रेसिडेंशियल अपार्टमेंट में. दिस इज द एंट्रेंस लॉबी ऑफ द सैम्पल फ्लैट टूर. यही नहीं, आने के बाद सामने ही इतना अच्छा आपको स्पेस मिलता है जो आप डेकोरेशन पर्पस या तो पेंटिंग के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाउ टेकिंग अहेड फर्दर, दिस इज द टूर फॉर द एंट्री एंड एग्जिट फॉर योर गेस्ट. जैसे आप प्राइवेट एलिवेटर से अपने रूम में आ सकते हैं, वैसे आप स्टाफ या तो गेस्ट के लिए एक हमारे पास डोर एंट्री एंड एग्जिट के लिए भी है. नॉट ओनली दिस, लेट मी टेक यू टू द वाइड एंड स्पेशियस हॉलीवुड स्टाइल योर लिविंग एरिया वेयर यू कैन सिट 10 to 15 people can sit around here watching a television or a movie with their popcorn, cold drinks and what not. अच्छे से अपनी AC के साथ चिलिंग कीजिए और लाइफ को बनाइए बहुत ज़्यादा easy and sorted. Now I'll take you to the nice balcony that is attached to your living area, having anti-skid tiling with a semi-French windows with 2-sided covered. Along with that, I'll take you up further at the dining area. So come on, let's come. So here around 10 to 15 people can sit and have their dinner. थोड़ी gossip के साथ, थोड़ी fun के साथ, थोड़ी मस्ती के साथ enjoy करिए अपना family dinner. Now I'll take you to the kitchen area. So now let's go ahead with the kitchen area. Come on. So this is the spacious and wide kitchen area with 2 parallel platforms. यही नहीं, साथ में आपको इतनी अच्छी शेल्फ रखने के लिए बहुत सारे ample of Indian spices मिलेंगे. सो यहाँ पर इतना अच्छा वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस है कि मैं अच्छे से वॉक कर पा रही हूँ. सो मेनी पीपल कैन कम हियर, स्टैंड एंड डू कुकिंग. नाउ यू गेट अ स्पेस फॉर योर to keep your refrigerator up, to keep your microwave. So we have ample of the space with all of the shelf boxes. So come on. Now I will take you to the master bedroom. So this is the first master bedroom that is attached to the washroom. So this is the washroom area जहाँ पर आपके पास basin, anti-skid tiles, CP-centric fittings, designer vitrified tiles as your part of your furnishing. मास्टर बेडरूम में आते ही इतनी अच्छी वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस है एंड साथ ही साथ इतना अच्छा वार्डरोब स्पेस है कि सारे कपड़े आपके यहीं पर ही आ जाएंगे विथ योर ज्वेलरी, एक्सेसरी, शूज टू वॉट नॉट. Coming here further, this is a very nice walkable distance to the spacious master bedroom जहाँ पर king size bed के साथ साथ आपको मिलता है एक प्यारा सा attached balcony again. So this is the attached balcony where you can sit, chill and make your evening time more special and funful. Coming here एक study table है जहाँ पर आप अपने सारे काम अच्छे से comfortably enjoy कर सकते हैं. So this is the complete spacious master bedroom. Let me take you to the furthermore. Come on. Now I'm taking you to the common washroom. So this is the common washroom. जहाँ पर again we have anti-skid tiling, CP-centric fittings, designer vitrified tiles as part of your furnishing. Now I will take you to the second bedroom. Come on. So this is the wide and spacious second bedroom जिसकी walkable distance आप देख सकते हैं. On the left hand side we have again a nice washroom. So we have a CP-centric fittings and skid tiling, designer vitrified tiles again as a part of your furnishing with shower glass partition. Now, as you can see, a walkable distance, there's a running wardrobe. So you can put all your accessories, clothes, your jewelry, shoes, everything in this big wardrobe, the space given to you. Now, going ahead, the second master bedroom, which is so wide, so spacious. You can put your king size bed here. And this is a nice balcony attached to the second master bedroom with anti-skid tiling, semi-French windows with three-sided cupboard. So now this is the second master bedroom. Let me take you to the guest room. Come on, let's come with me. But before going towards the guest room, let me tell you what Housey key features is. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment schemes, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule a site visit soon. Now we'll go ahead towards the guest room. Come on, let's come with me. Now this is the guest room. As you can see, it's lots and lots of space where I can walk it nicely. So much of the distance. Here you can place the king size bed and have a nice sleeping and a comfortable lying down. Here you can see a French glass windows for your evening for the ventilation purpose. आप अपना चाय अच्छे से enjoy कर सकते हो evening time पर. Not only this, let me show you a wide and a spacious wardrobe जहाँ पर आपके सारे dresses, सारे collections यहाँ पर आप अच्छे से रख सकते हो. So this is the entire sample flat tour of Sunteck Altavia by Sunteck Realty, Goregaon West, Mumbai. अगर आपने ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं यही लोकेशन पे तो प्लीज़ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू मेंशन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. ऑल्सो गो टू द वेबसाइट www.housey.com. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Housey. थैंक यू सो मच.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.